Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the monthly read for Aries people, Aries Sun, Moon and Rising. We will see what are the messages for Aries for the month of July. So let's start and see. Since this is a general read, so check out your moon sign and rising sign reading as well, so that you can understand your situation well. Okay, now I have Judgment, Six of Swords, Emperor, then I have Queen of Wands, okay, Hangman. There is some sort of situation between two fire sign, I guess. Ace of Wands, Magician, very powerful cards. Knight of Wands, too many people. Oh, Ace of Pentacle, wow, very nice. Page of Swords. So bottom of the deck is Six of Pentacle. Okay ji, first thing first, the most beautiful thing over here is Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. Two aces, which shows me that someone is moving towards from a romantic relationship to a committed relationship. This is what I can see over here. Very beautiful. Okay, someone is coming very fast in your life, and I guess, okay, let's start from the very first card. I have Judgment over here. Judgment is the card which talks about reunion, which talks about any sort of decision, trying to choose between two things. Sometimes this is a decision which is forces upon you from divine forces. So now is the time to announce something. Now is the time to act upon something. Right now, the most difficult thing for you, Aries, is to move from one situation. Though this card shows that the next or the new situation, the situation towards which you have to move, will be very peaceful and kind and loving for you. I feel there is someone who is a fire sign dealing with an Aries over here, because I have more than two cards. Basically, I have almost all cards which shows that two fire signs are working with each other, two fire signs are moving towards each other. I have Emperor over here, then I have Magician, same I have Knight of Wands and Queen of Wands. Okay, and now the thing is that someone has a very charming personality, and Aries are very much attracted towards them. In the deep past, they might not be very much open towards you, or maybe they are just simply trying to control the situation to some extent. But now or in the previous month, it is possible that they have showed you their most charming and fascinating side of their personality. Somehow situation is on hold. Now this is what that you have to decide for yourself, and then this situation will, this stuckness will be resolved. I feel as soon as you will receive this Ace of Wands, which is definitely someone else is going to give to Aries. I feel there is a possibility of moving ahead, and situation will be turning into something good. There might be a thing that due to some sort of finances, you are just hanging with the same situation. Maybe it is possible that you don't have enough money to move ahead. Maybe you have to pay your debt to someone to move ahead, then you will be able to take some sort of step toward this person. But I feel some financial constraints have some financial constraints are there, that is why you are just simply holding on, you're just hanging with the situation. I feel till the end of the month there is a possibility that you will get some sort of help, aid. This can be a financial aid, this can be some money, maybe someone will give you your money back, or maybe someone will aid you in some reference. And basically you are totally looking at that help when and thinking when that help will come, then I'll be able to decide something. Otherwise, from divine, it has been already decided, it has been already done. Now it's not that you yourself are unaware of this thing, or you yourself are not sure about your decision. It's not like that. It's just the logistics which you need to be decided. I feel there is a possibility of having some sort of problem in the mix, as the three most negative cards are here with this bottom of the deck. You are simply looking to get some sort of benefit, and someone is trying to leave you. I feel that Aries are dealing with another fire sign, but there is someone already in their life who is trying to escape now, who is trying to leave them behind, and I feel they will leave the whole situation very successfully. The whole point over here is now that Aries have I have a very strong feeling about this, that the Aries do have a problem related to their financial stability. They might have to give some sort of amount to someone else, and due to that it is possible that they are not taking that right action which needs to be taken. I feel that on one hand they are receiving this relationship offer, but on the other hand they have to present themselves to this engagement ring proposal to the other person. So this is the situation for Aries. Let me know about the whole situation going on around yourself as well, if you are an Aries or if you are a cross watcher. I really feel that Aries have this ability over here to manifest whatever they are trying to. They have the tools, they have the ability. It's not that they are not capable of doing such things, but they are simply holding back due to one certain reason, due to one certain problem. That problem which I feel most probably is money. Otherwise they are ready to leave the previous situation and they are ready to move towards another fire sign. But I feel it won't be taking enough a lot of time, because when Magician is here on the table in some spread, the person is very strong personality, and without a doubt they have all sort of tools and all sort of ideas to act upon their plan as well. So this was the reading for Aries. I will see you with the next reading soon. Till then, take care. Bye.